Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a bank shot. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I've read a lot about basketball, but I can never figure it out like the proper execution for a bank shot. So watch this video and I'm going to show you how.
The ideal situation for a bank shot is a mid-range shot at a 45-degree angle, like in this shot here. In this situation, you want to aim for the top corner. On this shot, I am positioned between the top of the key and a 45-degree angle, so I am going to aim slightly on top of the square, close to the top right corner.
Alright guys, so here's the secret. You want the ball to be coming down on it, because if you do directly, you're gonna miss the shot. So what you have to do is when the ball is spinning, you want it to come down so it can go in. Because if you just push it, you're gonna miss the basket. But if it goes down, it's gonna go into the hoop, and that's the secret.